But we're in Adobe Audition here, and our goal here is to target this frequency level without having to use denoise. Problem with running a denoise is that it's probably gonna remove a lot of good audio that you would otherwise would like to keep. Anyway, let's just play through this. You hear that high pitch?
This is Bill Henry.
But we're gonna target that. We're gonna snipe that out. I have the marquee selection tool, hotkey E, shortcut key E. Down here, in this little corner, you'll see frequency level here. It looks like it's about 3750 is what we're looking for. In the effects rack, filter EQ, notch filter. I say, was it 3700? All right, we're just gonna notch that out by turning the dBs down. And that's kind of a large selection. I may do very narrow for the notch width here. And then we're just gonna click apply and snipe that whole frequency range out. Boop, she gone. There you go. That is the notch filter to snipe out unwanted frequency levels in Adobe Audition.